The word of the day for January 3rd, 2022 is paraloon. Paraloon. It's a noun, and it means the point in a lunar orbit that is nearest to the moon. The examples on dictionary.com are useful. They're helpful in understanding actually what the word means and the contexts that it is used in. I think those examples give us our first jumping off point for imagining where we might use this in creative writing, namely as a part of the scientific mumbo jumbo, making your scientific mumbo jumbo less mumbo jumbo-y. You could, if you're talking about spaceships and their positioning and their orbits and things like that, you can use this as part of, maybe one of the characters, the captain character wants an update on their positioning in relationship to the moon, because once they get to the paraloon, they're going to deploy something. They're going to start their approach. They're going to whatever. So it's something that could be useful in the mumbo jumbo, scientific mumbo jumbo parts of your stories, to make them less mumbo jumbo-y. I think it also has value figuratively if you build up the moon metaphors around a character. If you've got a character named Selene, you can build up the moon metaphors from that foundation, and then since we refer to or talk about our relationships with orbital terms, so when you're in someone's orbit or when someone else is in your orbit, it's a statement about knowing someone, and it's a statement about the closeness of that relationship, right? So then we can take from the definition here, right, the point in a lunar orbit that is nearest to the moon. Okay? You could take nearest and make it about closeness of emotional closeness, or more practical closeness versus actual proximity, literal proximity. And so I think there's some potential there to be descriptive and to pile on these lunar metaphors, if that's something that you're interested in doing in the language surrounding characters or their relationships. So paraloon, another science word, but I think with plenty of metaphor or figurative usefulness, as well as descriptive use.